Hello, and today I'm going to do a unboxing video. This, I spent my own wealth on it, so don't judge me. Hey, so now what we're going to do is, well, Gavin, why are you doing this? You're going to break the whole thing. Shut up. Okay, so it automatically got the Super Nintendo. Just to let you see about the box. So this is the Super Nintendo. It says classics. On the back, we have a bunch of games. Star Fox 2. I hate the games. Let's get this thing going. I'll pause it and show you when I'm done. Guys, I got it. I don't know it. Just don't mind me. I'll make a part 2 doing this. So, I'll make a part 2. Don't worry if it just happens that I don't make an ending. Okay. First, we're going to start off with Super Mario. If you don't like this, who cares? We don't need you. This is not. Don't worry about that too. Welcome, this is Diceland. In this strange land, we'll find that Princess Toadstool is missing again. Looks like that is who cares? Let's go. Oh, I'm so hyped. What the heck is this? Actually learned how to do that. So what is this? Is there one? What? There's not one. Okay, let's go. Wait, you just. Oh. Hey, come on. What's this? Point of Ice. You can hold extra item in your box at the top of the screen. Just press select when you want to use it. Woo! What's this? Oh, I can look up. Oh! Oh! Get red. And, well, she really can't. Never sing again. And sing again. There we go. Don't mind me if I'm not going to try talking that much, but I hope you guys see it. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. Let's go. I'm so excited. I just wanted to do a quick level, so let's reset and do something else. Yeah, let's do F-Zero. This should sound fun. Yes. Not beginner. Where's my phone? Oh no, Freda. Come on. There's a boy at school. Uh, my phone is not on the Freda. Oh, I'm a musician. Deal with it. Who cares? Er, ha ha ha. Hey. You lost. Man, I wish there was a. That sucked. Yeah, let's. Okay, let's try. Uh, uh, Super Mario Kart. Let's try. Hope it's fun. That's not cool. Ouija. 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 Mushroom cutlets. What? How do you? This sucked. I'm not doing this. No. Stop rock. Ooh. Language. I'm in a different language the whole time. Language. English. Languages. Uh, legal manuals. Oh no, no. You want to see my essay? Yes. I dropped it hundreds of times.
That's not good. You're supposed to drawer. Why do you got your drawers open? Why do you got your drawers open?
Don't worry.
I'm gonna put this. Okay. Oh wow.
Please hours later.
Wait, this is very dangerous. Oh, I thought it had water in it. Let's see, that will ruin it. Why is a computer up there?
I'll make a video.
Oh, smart setup. All right. Well, have fun. Give me a hug. And take your sister out of the way for a bit. Love you. Oh, I was about to take your spinner.
Mine was on like Japanese the whole time.
Every now and then, when you take a break, help Dad and Jessica see if they need help. Okay. Daddy's so pitiful. He's so pitiful.
I didn't. Okay, guys. We're doing it. Punch out. No. You know what? Let's try this again, okay? Let's do this. It said on the manuals there will be saving games. Manuals say saving. Maybe that's why it's called that. I think this giant missile. We can do this, guys. Just get another life. Give me luck, guys. Come on. Boo, boo, Jeffries. Boo, Jeffries. Rihanna, 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 Beyonce, Beyonce. Rihanna, 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 Rihanna. How? You can trust me. Boo, boo, Jeffrey. I did not try. That big sound really mad at me. Yeah. Yes! Switch place. The power of the switch you have pushed will turn that outline block, that yellow outline will turn into that. Progress will be saved. Well, I guess we're doing this. There we go. I hate you, giant thing. What is this? I never saw it. Unfair Mario. 240. 2468. Yeah, boy. Yay.